Welcome back. We are on level 2 of lesson 25 functions. There is another video to watch, it says. Oh, no, same video. Okay, calling and defining functions. Okay, so, calling functions. Functions let you build your own blocks and decide what code goes inside of them. This program has already created 2 functions, but only one of them is being called. Do this. Call the draw balloons function to reveal the full image. Drag out a my function block, so that's right here. Replace my function with the name of the second function created in the program. Tip, just as with all other blocks, spelling and capitalization are important here. Always, 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 spelling, capitalization, grammar have to be perfect in order for the code to run. Use the function that is being called as a guide. So we can see here, draw sky, draw sky. So here are all the steps. Here is the shortcut. Here are all the steps to draw balloons. And draw balloons. Now we have our shortcut. Now remember, this is called camel casing. So the first letter of your first word is going to be lowercase. The first letter of every word after that is going to be uppercase. And the reason why is because then you can see all the different words that are involved in there. So draw balloons, draw balloons. We're going to run it. All right, it works. It works again. Fabulous. All right, with that, we are done with level 2. I will see you on level 3. Here we go.